Drew? Drew! Laura! It's so good to see you. It's been so long.
Jesus? What is he doing? You're supposed to be dying right now.
What?
Get back on the cross and stay there until we tell you to come down. Play that.
But I haven't seen you in so long. I just want to sit and talk.
Jesus, I'm so sorry you had to die for us. That must have been so terrible.
Yes, I died. But look, I want you to concentrate on my life. I'm alive now, you know.
Technically, you're not alive until the last 5 minutes of service. Here, put this on.
What are you doing? Guys, I've already been through all this. Look, let's focus on our life together.
Jesus, we're remembering you. We're sorry you had to suffer.
Yes, I suffered, but I want you to know what the suffering was for. It's so that you could live like me.
Did you really go to hell for us? I can't imagine what that was like. Was it hot? Did you see Satan?
Is this a joke?
Now, Jesus, you're not taking your death very seriously. Be respectful to what you did 2,000 years ago.
Okay, look. My death is where life began. I did that so that we could have this.
Jesus, please forgive me of my sins.
Ah! Okay, guys, stop this. I'm alive.
Jesus, we know you're alive.
Yeah.
Now hold still.
If you know I'm alive, why do you keep treating me like I'm not?